Well, you didn't quite make it all the way down. Hold on to the sled so it don't come down. What they don't know is this little waddy right here, as soon as they hit that, they're going to do a face plant in the snow. I'll tell them later. I know I'm wrong. Whatever. Stop laughing. Hey. All right, send it, boys. Come on. Go! If they make it all the way down. Boom! Wipe out!
Yeah!